Hi, this video is going to teach you how to make your own Toastmasters wiki in just a matter of minutes. All it takes is a Google account. Ready? So the first step is to go to sites.google.com. Then from there on the page, you'll see on the left side the Create button. It takes just a matter of minutes to create this wiki. First, browse the gallery for templates. And there's a specialty template that's already been created called Korea Toastmasters. Select that, scroll down, choose it, and now let's give our site a name. We'll just call this Dave's Example TM Wiki. Prove that we're not a robot, and create. And there you go. Now we have a fully operational Toastmasters site just for you. Now let's look around what we have. There's some basic navigation with a home page, announcement, sign-up sheet, docs links, members, officers, and webmasters. If you want to create more pages, you can, of course, you have that option, using the new page. But let's see what we have so far. So we have a splash screen with a photo, which you can change, some basic introductory text, and a feed of announcements, which you can see links to others. Going further down, information on where and when the club meets with an interactive map. So let's start off by modifying this homepage to suit your needs. So we're going to edit the page, and let's change the title to, well, welcome to Dave's Toastmasters page. And you'll notice the announcements is actually an automatic feed coming from this announcements page elsewhere. So we're not going to touch that. This map, we have the option of updating the location. So here, if you click the map and update, and let's go to Shinchan, Seoul. And let's zoom in, and let's pick a spot. Say we can drop a place mark for where we want our map to be centered around. And once we have that updated location, we can accept and save. When we finish saving the page itself, what you see is that the new map has been updated to reflect the location you selected. And now, of course, the title's been changed as well. Let's see, what else do we have here? Now, you saw that we have this list of announcements. If you want to post another announcement, you can either view more or click the announcements to the left. It takes you to the same place. And here you can click New Post. And now let's give our post a title. What do we want to put here? Please check out this new wiki. Key features. Rolling announcements. Interactive dynamic sign-up sheet. And secure members area. Interactive forum. Thanks. Just like that, save that post. What we'll find, if we go back to the home page, is that post is now showing up on the feed of announcements. The next feature is our sign-up sheet. When you create this account from the template, you'll automatically get a blank new or a new spreadsheet with the sample of the sign-up sheet. So here you have a list of the roles, and if you want to sign up for a role of your own, you can jump in here and let's say Dave is going to submit as speaker number 2. Now maybe your club already has a sign-up sheet, in which case, rather than creating it from scratch, now if you want to update a large number of entries at the same time, rather than clicking edit and submit one at a time, which can be tedious, this sign-up sheet actually links to a spreadsheet on Google Drive, which means you can now bulk edit. And so here you can say Thomas, Victor, William, etc. And then it's automatically, because Google Drive is automatically synced, when you refresh this page, it'll pick up all the changes for you. Now if you already have your own spreadsheet, then it's even simpler. You can once again edit the page and come down to the spreadsheet, change the properties, and change which spreadsheet you're going to link to. So if I scroll down to one of my other wikis spreadsheets, then I can point to that instead. Save, save. Finally, next, let's see what happens if we want to update our documents and links. Now, here we have a list of links available for all members to add to. In particular, a useful feature is to put in recordings of your YouTube videos. So if you have a link you want to share, click on edit as usual, scroll down to the recording section, and you can insert a YouTube video, copy and paste in the URL, and there's your new video. Save it, and voila. Now the last feature is how to make sure the right people are accessing your page. For instance, your members page will be very similar to your sign-up sheet. The difference is you might have sensitive private information such as email addresses and phone numbers that you don't want to share with everyone. So to manage that, you should go up to the sharing option and create what are called page level permissions. You want to turn on page level permissions, and that says, in general, everyone on the site should be able to see everything. But maybe the members page is sensitive and you want to make it so that only members are allowed to see it. So use custom permissions and use the top option, save. And now what this means is only people that I invite are allowed to see the page. So exit out of here. What I'll see is that other guests are no longer able to visit the members page once I've locked it down this way. That's basically all you need. The other pages, Club Officers, is quite straightforward. It's just text you want to update. Likewise, Webmasters will have further information and videos for you to